Hello, dear students. You are welcome to our massive online course for transport engineering. And today we are talking about logistics operators. The topic is called Logistics Operators. Module 1, Unit 3. Let's start. All organizations move materials. Manufacturers build factories that collect raw materials from suppliers and deliver finished goods to customers. Retail shops have regular deliveries from wholesalers. A television news service collects reports from around the world and delivers them to viewers. Most of us live in towns and cities and eat food brought in from the country. When you order a book or DVD from a website, a courier delivers it to your door. Every time you buy, rent, lease, hire, or borrow anything at all, someone has to make sure that all the parts are brought together and delivered to your door. Logistics is a function that is responsible for this movement. It is responsible for the transport and storage of materials on their journey between suppliers and customers. On a national scale, logistics involves the huge amount of effort. The USA has a gross domestic product (GDP), so its population of 280 million produces and consumes goods and services. The world's 7 largest economies, USA, Japan, Germany, UK, France, Italy, and Canada, have a combined GDP of US $20 trillion. All of these, whether it is oil produced in Canada, consumer electronics in Japan, cars in the UK, or dairy products in France, relies on logistics to collect materials from suppliers and deliver them to customers. Millions of people are involved in this effort, and it costs billions of dollars a year to keep everything moving. Ordinarily, we only notice a small part of logistics. We might see lorries driving down a motorway, visit a shopping mall, drive through a trading estate, or have a parcel delivered to our homes. These are the visible signs of a huge industry. In this booklet, you'll get a more detailed look at this complex function. We are going to discuss these issues and developments and see how managers can get the best results from their logistics. Every organization delivers products to its customers. Traditionally, we describe these products as either goods or services. Then manufacturers like Sony and Guinness make tangible goods, while AOL and Vodafone provide intangible services. In reality, this view is rather misleading, and every product is really a complex package that contains both goods and services. Ford, for example, manufactures cars, but they also give services through warranties, after-sales service, repairs, and finance packages. McDonald's provides a combination of goods, burgers, cutlery, packaging, and so on, and services when they sell food and look after the restaurant. At one end of this spectrum are products that are predominantly goods such as cars and domestic appliances. At the other end are products that are predominantly services such as insurance and education. In the middle are products with a more even balance, such as restaurant, meals, and hospital. At the heart of an organization are the operations that create and deliver the products. These operations take a variety of inputs and convert them into desired outputs. The inputs include raw materials, components, people, equipment, information, money, and other resources. Operations include manufacturing, serving, transporting, selling, training, and so on. The main outputs are goods and services. The Golden Lion restaurant, for example, take inputs of food, chefs, kitchen, waiters, and dining area. Its operations include food preparation, cooking, and serving. The main outputs are meals, service, customer satisfaction, and so on. The products created by an organization are passed to its customers, making the cycle. This shows customers generating demands, with operations using resources to make products that satisfy them. Logistics move materials around this cycle. The operations are usually divided into a number of related parts, in the way that is hospital has an emergency room, surgical ward, purchasing department, heart unit, operating theater, and so on. So logistics also moves materials through the different parts of an organization, collecting from internal suppliers and delivering to internal customers. This leads to our basic definition. Logistics is a function responsible for the flow of materials from suppliers into an organization, through operations within the organization, and then out to customers. That is the end of our topic. Thank you for your attention. Dear students, our next topic will be about storage logistics, inventory, and warehousing. Goodbye.